Welcome back to Realcomm 2019. You're here with us on the second day, and of course with us here are our platinum sponsors, Yardi, who are not only platinum sponsors of the entire conference, but also of Conference Live. Brian Sutherland, thank you for being here.
Absolutely, thanks for having me.
We are always grateful to have you guys as a partner, and tell me first and foremost, impressions of the show so far.
It's great. Attendance is up this year, so it's great to kind of walk the floor and check out some of the new vendors, and for us too, just having a large amount of our clients at the event and meeting with them is great.
Why year after year after year? I mean, I've been doing this show for almost 2 decades now. Yardi always has such a huge presence, not just on the trade show floor, but within the industry as a solution. What is the secret?
Well, I'm not sure if there's a secret, but Realcomm has been a great partner with Yardi over the years, and we certainly enjoy the partnership and sponsorship of the event. And I would say, for Realcomm, it's the clients that are here are really driving us first and foremost, and we have long-term partnerships. We've been around for many years, and our clients have been with us for many years, and so connecting with them here.
Yeah, but I mean to say, what is it about Yardi as a solution that keeps staying at the top? What drives that? I mean, every company has ups and downs, but you guys, year after year after year, how do you do it?
Yeah, well, I think it really comes down to listening to our clients, and we've certainly evolved over the years. Both in a platform perspective with technology, and as technology has changed, and really listening to the demands of our clients, and getting a sense of what they're looking for, how they're trying to operate.
Yeah.
I think for our clients, it comes down to reducing risk, increasing revenue, and controlling cost, connecting with their customers, their tenants, and us having a platform that really supports that.
What stuns me about what you guys have done and continue to do is you have a successful product, and many companies would be satisfied just leaving it there, and then you break off another product and then another product, and so it's no longer just a management software. It's a predictive software. It's a sales. Tell us the new things this year. What can we do with Yardi products now that we couldn't do a year ago, 2 years ago? What have you brought this year?
Yeah, that's a good question, and I'm on the product side and the sales side, so it's exciting. So I get to see all the new products coming out and work with our clients on those. So I would say this year we're excited about 3 products, and really 3 suite of products. First is Yardi Pulse, which is our energy offering, and that's really about helping you control your cost. And so you look at standard commercial building, your second controllable cost, most expensive controllable cost is utility. Yeah. And so that's helping clients drive down that cost. We have Yardi Cube now, which is our co-working platform, and obviously there's been an explosion of co-working locations and shared workspace. And so for that, it's really about helping clients increase revenue by changing traditional office space into higher yielding co-working locations.
Right.
And the third offering is Yardi Elevate, and there's a lot of buzz about that, a lot of excitement about that, and we have 4 different products within that, and that's really going to the commercial operation. So you look at leasing and budgeting, facility management, construction, and really empowering those users. And so it's an exciting time to be involved. A lot of good stuff happening at Yardi.
What's some of the feedback you're getting on Elevate, for example?
Yeah, I think that it's a new Yardi, and I think one of the challenges that we have is the perception that we're property management and accounting, and that's what Yardi does. And although we certainly do that, we do it well, we now do a lot more. And so the feedback has been fantastic. There's a new user interface that really has a role-specific design. So meaning I'm going in and I handle leasing.
Right.
What sort of information do I need to manage my pipeline? Or I do construction. How do I visualize my risk, and how do I engage with vendors to make sure I'm wording the work properly? And so I think it really comes down to the new user interface, the mobile apps, that's creating a lot of excitement.
What's the integration like between these 3 and, say, Voyager or Matrix? I mean, are they all kind of synergistic, or?
Yeah, and that's what I think really separates these different solutions, as opposed to a point solution just out there. All these things are connected to that same Voyager database, and it's real time. And so through these different products, it really takes in mind the life cycle of a customer, a lease going out, a TI job being done, a budget for the suite,
Yeah.
facility management on that suite after that prospect becomes a tenant. And so it's all connected, it's all seamless, and I think that's one of our differentiators.
What are the most exciting applications you've seen? Who are the people using it, and what are they doing with it? When you see people and they're telling you about their experiences with the new suite, what are they telling you?
Yeah, I think it comes down to ease of use and having the information that they were looking for, having to go to a report to get it previously, or have to go into another system.
Yeah.
And the fact that we can feed that to them through an integrated platform, that sort of response, that excitement in that area, I think would be the key thing.
In selling it, what are some of the features that even surprise you when you go like, wow, I didn't know it did this? Have there been a few things that you go, that's actually pretty impressive?
Oh, every day. And it's interesting, we have 1,500 developers.
Yeah.
And they're all working on different products.
Yeah.
And so even this morning, I was in a demo for one of our retail leasing platforms, and I was surprised to see new features in there that I hadn't seen.
Yeah.
And so I feel like with these different products that we have, one developer is really driving the innovation, and we're able to leverage that in the other solution. And so it's been extremely exciting to see. Exciting to see the advancements in the technology. So I'm continuously surprised.
There are so many solutions at a show like this and in the industry. Why do people keep coming back to Yardi? What's the definitive characteristic of what you offer that makes it such a useful, successful, adaptable thing?
Yeah, I think it really comes down to the longevity and partnerships we have with our clients, and really listening to their needs. And the fact they've made a big investment on Yardi. We're their platform of choice for accounting, property management, and really being able to easily extend that solution to different areas of their business to make them operationally more efficient or to tackle a business issue that they're facing. And so we're in here for the long haul. Our solution continues to change, and it's an exciting time at Yardi.
Brian, thank you so much.
Absolutely, thank you.
Terrific. Brian Sutherland from Yardi telling us a little bit about some of the new offerings that are here, as well as a philosophical